Welcome to Minleon's non-RGB effects controller user guide from your provider of cutting-edge LED lighting products. Table of contents: introduction, features and uses, setup and connections, power, remote control functions, controller effects, effect parameters, record and save a custom light show, link multiples, fault diagnosis, questions, and resources. New for 2017, an RGB look without the RGB cost. A simple yet powerful commercial-grade multi-port dimmer connecting Minleon's non-RGB dimmable light strings and retrofits with pre-programmed sequence effects through remote control. Features: 120-volt AC dimming board, 5 channels with 100 watts max per output, 12 built-in effects, remote control, link multiples to increase channel count, outdoor rated, and non-Minleon dimmable light strings are also compatible. But please note, different styles and brands of lights will likely have different dimming curves and different intensities. Consistent styles and brands will give a consistent look, but feel free to experiment. Uses: wire frames, such as candy canes, stars, sleighs. Signs: assign each letter a unique output. Christmas trees: assign each output a unique color. Garden and patio scenes, retail storefronts, and perimeter lighting. Setup and connections: 1. The dimmer board. 2. The tiny controller. 3. The basic T-way. 4. A remote control. And 5. The 12-volt DC power supply. Power. The non-RGB effects controller requires 2 sources of power. First, on the dimming board that runs on 120-volt AC, and secondly, on the tiny controller, which runs separately on a 12-volt DC transformer or plug. Remote control functions. When the dimming board is connected to the tiny controller, an IR remote controls the 12 built-in dimming effects, such as chase, twinkle, and glow. It adjusts speed, brightness, trails, chases, and direction. An option to split effects across channels. Channel selection adjusts how many effects display across an additional or fewer light strings. 2 memory settings. Show mode cycles and repeats all effects, and a record function. The built-in effects. The following videos visualize the non-RGB effects controller effects. In this display, output 1 is connected to the white mini light string at the front right of the grove of trees. Output 2 to the red minis. Output 3 to the green, 4 to orange, and 5 to blue. In this display, output 1 is connected to the white mini light string in the tree on the left. Output 2 to the blue minis on the left railing. Output 3 to the green shrubs on the left. Output 4 to the red lights on the right railing. And output 5 to the yellow lights on the shrubs. Here's the twinkle effect. And the pulse effect. The Christmas lights effect. Keep in mind that you can vary the speed, chase, and trails of each of these. Comets. Inverted chase. Bounce. Glow. Flash. Exploder. Effect parameters. Effect parameters adjust the look of certain effects. Brightness dims or intensifies the lights. Speed adjusts the speed. Trails adjust the trails on comet, exploder, twinkle, and chases. Chase adjusts the spacing between chasing lights. Split divides the effect across outputs. Flip changes the direction of waves, comet, and chaser effects. Record and save a custom show. Record is used to record a sequence of effects, and play will play them back. Press record, then select an effect, like twinkle. If you want twinkle to play 30 seconds, wait 30 seconds, then you can hit another effect and wait however long you want the second effect to play. You can select up to about 18 effects for the sequence and up to 225 seconds, 3 minutes 45 seconds long between each effect. To stop recording, press play. That will stop and save it. Then the play button plays that sequence in a loop. The Tiny controller will remember this sequence until you hit record, which replaces it with a new sequence. Linking multiples. Follow this diagram to link multiple non-RGB effects controllers. Then press the channel up and down buttons on the remote to display the effects across all the channels you plan to use. Fault diagnosis. Follow these instructions if the lights do not turn on or if the lights dim at different intensities. Questions and resources. Please visit minleonusa.com or email reggie@minleonusa.com and reference this presentation. Thank you for your interest in Minleon LEDs.